Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to claim sign-up bonus in Google Opinion Rewards. Firstly, you need to download Opinion Rewards from the Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. If you already signed in with your email, the app will allow you to use that account automatically. Once signed in, Google Opinion Rewards will ask you to complete a brief profile to help personalize the surveys you receive. After setting up your profile, you'll often receive a welcome survey. Completing this will trigger your sign-up bonus. The bonus is typically in the form of Google Play credits. Check your Google Play balance to confirm the reward after completing the survey. As you continue to answer surveys and provide feedback, you'll earn more credits. The rewards can be redeemed for various products or services in the Google Play Store app or used to purchase other items. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.